Good morning, friends. My name is Navneet and I'm a forex trader. I call myself the lazy FX trader because I am lazy, and it is my objective to make everyone aware that forex trading doesn't have to be like a job. You don't have to sit in front of your computer for 8 hours, 10 hours a day to make some money in forex. In fact, I often tell everyone that in trading, the less you trade, the more money you make. It seems weird, isn't it? Let me explain. Every trade that we take has a certain amount of risk attached to it, be it 1% of your account or 10% of your account. Though I never recommend taking 10% of your account as a risk. But even if it's 1%, every trade we take, we have the possibility of losing 1% or whatever the risk we've taken from our account. If we don't take that trade, that risk is not there. So that doesn't mean we don't take a trade, but we only take trades where we have the highest possibility of getting a profit. And where do we get the highest profit possibility? It's on the larger time frames. So most of my trades are taken on the daily, weekly, or even sometimes on the monthly charts. Seems weird, but as we progress along, you will understand why I say that. I'm starting this mission. I've been often asked by friends and people who visit my page that how do I trade? I can't really teach how I trade, but I can show that what I do. I cannot teach because I'm not qualified to do that. I don't have the licenses to do that. I cannot give a buying or selling recommendation because again, I need a license to do that. But I can share what I'm doing, and if you think it's profitable, you are free to follow that. But please ensure that you control your risk and you are responsible for your trading. My mission is to start with $1,000. As you will see in the coming days, it's a brand new account. We've started with $1,000 and I have a mission to take it to $1 million. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I want to achieve this target in less than 5 years. Now, if you can take $1,000 and grow it to $1 million in less than 5 years, that's a spectacular return. The most important part, to keep that $1,000 intact. We should not lose that $1,000. I will be posting an update every day to track the progress of what's happening with the account. Feel free to follow me. Feel free to please join and like my page, The Lazy FX Trader. The links are given below. And if you don't have an account, a trading account, I would highly recommend and request you to click on the link below the video and open an account with AxiTrader. I have been trading with them for years. I find them quite good. And yes, I do receive a small benefit. And if you think that what I am giving away is valuable, I would highly appreciate if you give something back by opening an account with a broker, which gives me a small benefit. So fingers crossed, and let's wait for the next video, which will be out very soon, where I will be taking my first few trades. Hopefully, I don't know if there are going to be any trades, but my first few trades for 2021. So join me on this mission. Let's rock together. Have a pipful and a healthy 2021 and the years beyond. See you soon on the other side.